Welcome to another episode of Adventures in Hosting. Today I have a tale about a guest who turned my cleaning schedule upside down. So this guest books a stay for 45 nights. Usually for long stays, I have a cleaning schedule, which is once or twice a week. But this guest, he kept saying, "No thanks, I'll let you know if I need cleaning." He insisted his room was spotless. And for all the 45 days, I kind of believed him because he was out all day and only came back at night to sleep. Fast forward to his checkout date. He laid the bed perfectly and set everything up just right. It looked like a hotel ad, but when I went in to clean, surprise, 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 all the white had turned into brownies. The sheets and towels were a whole new color palette. Lesson learned. Stick to your cleaning schedule no matter what guests say. Sometimes what you don't see can be quite colorful. Thanks for tuning in. Let me know if you have any cleaning adventure story in the comments. Remember, it's better to check than to be surprised later.